Now let us look at piping course section on this website. In this section you will come to know what are the various courses which we have already published, detail of each and every course so that you can decide whether to enroll for that course or not. Then what are the various options to get best possible discount for all these courses. Okay, so let us look into how you can generate your own discount coupons. You can use the three letters of current month and current year. For example, April 2021, December 2021. So this kind of coupon you can apply and get best discount. So maybe after 6 months the current month will be different, so that way you can generate your own coupon. If you're looking for some bulk bookings and some special discounts, then you can always contact me. Okay, there are few other options here. There is a chat option. You can always connect with me on WhatsApp and Telegram. Just click here and you will connect with me. So here in this section you will look at all the courses which have been already published. Okay, you can click over any of the courses and you will come to know each and every detail of particular course. Then these are the bestseller courses. These 8 courses, 8 elements of piping engineering, then 11 modules of isometrics, 7 modules of piping codes and standards, and pipe thickness calculation, 7 top 5 modules of piping and layout, then tank piping, underground piping. Then this is 7 modules of pipe materials. So these are the best seller courses, and most of the content is covered here, but you can look into each and every course which is already available on this platform. In this section you will come to know about the YouTube channel, that is Oil and Gas Fundas, where we have a popular 2-minute funda series, question answer series, and we are talking about piping courses. So here again you can utilize this platform to uh, get better information related to piping engineering. Then in this section we are just mentioning these are the options available on this platform. Another thing here, you can search any content which is available on this platform. Again, the recent post section is here. You can subscribe to newsletters by putting your email ID and you will get a surprise gift, welcome gift here for the first time login users. Then you can join Facebook page, Facebook group, then LinkedIn group you can join here, and you can join the YouTube. Again, WhatsApp groups you can just click and join. Telegram groups you can join, Telegram announcement related to latest posts and offers. Then Facebook groups. So these are readily available on this section. If you look at this section, you can share this page with all your friends if you like the content. Then once you click over any of the courses, like for example, if you look at this is a section, a course which is available on this platform. Okay, if you click on that link you will come to know about this course. You can get each and everything which is covered in this course. Okay, like introduction to codes and standard, then major differences between 31.1, 31.3, then ASME standards, we have covered few of these. Then pipe wall thickness, you can get the complete details on this section. Impact testing, how we can get all the exemptions. API, few of the API standards we have covered, so that relevant clauses once you know, then you can refer any of the other API standards so that you can get the concept. Then the carbon steel, high temperature steel, low temperature steel, alloy steel. This section covers all the ASTME standards. Once you go through this, you can understand like how to refer ASTME standards and how, what kind of information is there and how to utilize in your live projects. Then if you want to listen about complete details of this course, you can click over this. Again, you can create your own coupons, and once you click over this link you can enroll to that. Once you go through all the content, like here again we have mentioned whatever things we have covered in this course, you can look into complete details. Okay, then once you decide like this is useful, then you can click here and you can go to the enrollment page, then you can enroll. So again, these are few of the things which we have like added here. If you have any comment, you can always comment, and once you scroll through these pages, you will come to these kind of pop-ups where you can join discussion centers by directly clicking on this. And once you submit your email ID, you can uh, get connected on this platform, and you will be landing on the uh, thank you page where you will get your welcome gift. So this is how you can get connected, and you can utilize this page, this section of this platform, to know about each and every course which is available. So piping courses, this is all about piping courses which are available on this platform.